The natural beverage industry faces existential threats. Climate change, supply chain complexity, and human rights are urgent global challenges. As an industry, we must act now, before it's too late.
Sustainable Future 2030 defines the actions Finlays is taking today for the beverages of tomorrow to address three critical challenges. Climate net zero. Climate instability is disrupting tea and coffee production. If we don't act now, supply shortages, poor quality, and price volatility will become the norm. That's why Finlays is aiming to reduce our impact by achieving net zero emissions by 2040, while working collaboratively with supply chain partners to mitigate the immediate impacts of climate change. Our 2030 climate net zero objectives include a 50% reduction in Scope 1 and 2 emissions, a 42% reduction in Scope 3 emissions, and a 30% reduction in forestry, land, and agriculture emissions. Sustainable supply. To combat increasing disruption in global supply chains, Finlays is committed to sustainable and ethical sourcing. We'll achieve this by partnering with suppliers to build resilient supply chains. Our sustainable supply objectives include ensuring 100% of our tea and coffee is traceable by 2025, approving 100% of tea and coffee suppliers by 2025, and managing 100% of strategic suppliers through supplier relationship management by 2030. Our people. People are the heart of our business. It's important Finlays is a place where people are valued and treated fairly, encouraging growth and development. We'll do this by focusing on human rights, equality, and livelihoods. Our people objectives include implementing a human rights due diligence framework by 2030, ensuring at least 39% of management roles are held by women by 2027, and becoming a living wage employer by 2030.
For Finlay, sustainability isn't just doing the right thing.
It's protecting the planet to safeguard tea and coffee.
It's building trusted partnerships for stronger supply chains.
It's advancing human rights to empower all.
It's acting today, the beverages of tomorrow.
As we look to 2030, please join us in delivering a sustainable future for natural beverages.